So let's have a bird's eye view using the trend predator indicator across the assets: gold, silver, oil, US 30, 100, 500, and the dollar itself. I've just posted a video on the US dollar. It's encroaching onto the breakout level from where November. Let's have a look where we are coming into the December highs. Sorry. Okay. So it's an overextended market on the US dollar. We've got 3 months and 3 weeks of longs in the market, which is the recipe for a correction, which we're already seeing. It's already underway. And we've got last week's lows down at 107, according to this Dixie, 107.80-ish, 107.75 for a target. Not necessarily today. It's already seen quite a large move. It could, of course, continue, but perhaps something for later on in the week. But we're in a bearish trend on the dollar. That is usually good news for gold, silver, and the majority of the indices. So let's have a look at those. If we look at gold, first of all, we can see the Trend Predator Pro indicator is telling us that we're in an uptrend. It's a breakout continuation, going for low-hanging fruit on the upside. It's a trend trade. It's a three-star quality setup, which is the highest of them all, 1, 2, and 3. So gold is uber bullish at the moment. We've got the same scenario with silver. Silver was taking on the highs of yesterday before the data, but the data's given it a thrust back up to the upside. Let's have a look at both of those charts. So as we can see, this is a line chart. This is yesterday, that's Monday's down day, which actually pulled traders back up. So pulled them down, stop hunt, and then coming up. So this is a bullish market. We're breaking out of yesterday's high, and we're heading up towards the highs of last week, which were put in on Friday. So that's the ultimate target for the moment. And then the continuation for swing traders that will be looking for the continuation towards last month's highs. Okay, so that's silver. No, sorry, that's gold pushing up. Let's have a look at silver. So silver, as you can see, as we talked about, dipped below Tuesday's highs before the data, and the data's given that a breath of life back to the upside in line with the markets breaking back through Friday's low. So therefore, we've got traders that are trapped going short from Monday, and this market could continue up into their stops in a bullish thrust towards last week's highs, beyond their last month's highs, in a continuation of the overall bullish trend across the higher time frames. The weekly and monthly chart are bullish. So the daily chart is now aligned with the bullish undertone from the higher time frames. Okay, so bullish on gold and silver. Oil, we've got data later on, 10:30 a.m. I don't like to trade before that data on a Wednesday. But oil is also in an uptrend. Just a bit cautious because yesterday was the first red day. It could be pumping up just to roll back over in line with the first red day. So pump and potential dump. However, that's not what we're seeing at the moment. What we're seeing is the price back inside of the first red day lows. So it dropped in London by the looks of things, and now it's pumped back up. So that's bullish because we're back above yesterday's lows, in line with the weekly chart that broke out on Monday. We did dip back below, but now we're back above last week's highs, so that's also bullish. So the daily and weekly chart are bullish. Just a bit of caution again with the weekly chart because we're already overextended. We've had a number of weeks climbing to the upside, so it's a slightly overextended market, but nevertheless, it's a two-star trend trade set up to go long in line with the breakout of December's highs. Okay, so a bullish market on oil as well. So we'll leave it there. I don't want it to be too long a video, but that's gold, silver, and oil, and we'll have a look at the indexes a bit later on as we approach the Wall Street Open.